So another thing that we can do with our Python Matplotlib, okay, is that to save the graph, okay. So how we can save a graph? So it's something really easy to do. So in order to save a graph, we can do something like this. Let me go back. Boom. Okay, first then we have our pie chart from the last lesson, okay. So if you want to save this thing, okay, we can just come here and click on this button. That's why I said it's something very easy, okay. I can just click on this button. Let's wait it to process, okay. Then it will open this, okay. You can choose wherever you want it to be saved, okay. Because I'm going to put it where in my documents, okay. In my document, then I can give whatever name I want, okay. For example, test1, test1, okay. And here I can choose, okay, what type of the extension that I want, okay. For example, PGF, codecs, portable document, portable route. So there's a lot of options that you can choose, okay. So but I'm not going to change anything, okay. I'm going to keep it as a default, okay. I'm just going to click in save, okay. So after that it is going to save, okay. You just go where you put your stuff, okay. I put my documents, and if I come here, where is it? See, there is a, okay, my test. I have it here. So if I open it, as you can see, boom, as you can see, now we have my image here, okay, my graphic. So you can take it and make use wherever you want it to be shown, okay. We have our graph here, okay. This is how you can save a graph in Python Matplotlib. Perfecto.